Hello guys, today I'm talking about real world mileage with in a 2014 Honda Accord hybrid. So this was advertised as being capable of 48 miles per gallon, but obviously, as you can see, I have my heat turned on. Before this I had it turned on pretty high, but as it got warmer I turned it down to 76 Fahrenheit. So there you can see it's been pretty cold out here. So this is what I am getting for mileage, averaging about anywhere from 30 to 35 miles per gallon. And usually that would include about I would say about 5 to 10 minutes of warming up the car each time I start the car from cold, which is about, I would say, 4 times a day, and then the rest of it being highway driving. Where these cars really shine would be where you have I would say city driving, stop and go driving, flat surfaces, flat land. Here you can see we have some hilly terrain. Kind of hard to see here, but we have a road there going. You see where the vehicle is coming from on the right, and then you have a steep drop, and then you know, it's just like that around here. So I'll jump outside real quick, show you around. And right now I have 192,000 miles on the car. It's been pretty good to me. Does pretty well, reasonably well in the snow. What I realized was, because of the electric drivetrain, it behaves a bit differently from regular cars. So when you're starting out where there's you're stuck in snow, the wheel, you can make it spin like really slow and gently, whereas cars that have a direct connection from the engine, they will tend to, you know, jump a little bit and make you lose traction faster. Yeah, you hear the engine just came on. Very pleased with the car. Reliable. Nothing has really broken on here. I've had just one flat tire. These cars don't come with a spare tire, but many people who have them, they opt to buy a spare and put it in the trunk. I also opted for lower profile tires. The regular tires would be let's see here, these are 4.5s. I know the regulars are 50. Where is it? Yeah, these are lower profile tires. So the regular ones would be 225 by 50 by 17. These are 17-inch rims. So 225 by 50, 17. So I got the 4.5, which has a lower profile. Of course, you have the little camera there for the if you have to make a blind spot. That way, if you have to pass a vehicle, you can see if the lane next to you is clear. And then also, where you have the wheel well, the padding which is there is actually like some kind of felt material. I believe that's to absorb sounds and make the vehicle ride quieter. You can see that's the same material in there. Same material. I also love the touch, you know, the keyless entry system. You just put your hand, pull, and it opens. If you have to use a key, let's say your battery is dead, then you have that option here on the driver's side. You can actually use a key. All in all, it's a nice vehicle. Very happy with it, and it performs really great in the snow. Thanks for watching.